Okay, coming in from the left is one ginormous sweet potato. You probably get bigger than this. The idea is I've seen this, I can't remember what it was now, it was either TikTok or I can't remember which one it was now, and I really fancy having a go at it. So what you're supposed to do is drill a hole through the middle. You can use whatever you want. I found a little piece of steel bar, and I pushed it through. I wouldn't advise it, I'm not telling you what to do, but try pushing one of these through without putting a hole in it first. You got no chance. This is only a wooden skewer, and the idea is you get a knife like so, and you start to turn it. I'll show you because I'm going to do it. I've never done one before, so bear with me. You keep going around till you hit the wooden skewer in the middle, and then you keep going until you get all the way to the end, and then you can pull it apart a bit, put some olive oil, herbs and spices, wherever you want it, wrap it in silver foil, chuck it in the fire. We have a fire going down the bottom, so without further ado, let's give it a go. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing really. Right, down to the skewer. Might be a bit. Oh no, there we go, there we go. Can you see that? Don't really want it to break, that's the. Hopefully I haven't broke it. Look at that! Rubbish. I broke the stick. Look, I broke the stick, but that doesn't matter. And I've done half. Look, I'm a little bit impressed with myself. I think you need a smaller spud. Typical male. Has to go big as possible. Get the biggest spud. Anyway, so we're all right. I'm going to put some olive oil on it. I'm going to put a bit of salt. Wish I can get that stick through a bit more. No, I'm not going to trust that. Okay, here we go. Right, so let's give that a raz. Let's see what it turns out like. Oil, salt, some whatever. I'll find something. A little bit of oil. It's a little bit congealed, only because it's cold. It looks awful, doesn't it? But it's not. It's all right. Okay, so let that run inside. Okay, put a bit more on there. Some salt. When you're in the cabin, it's a bit, the stuff seems to go a little bit, well, not dry, moist, isn't it? And then it doesn't work. Right, going to put in there. Oh yeah. Not too much, just a little sprinkling of herbs of Provence. And then a little bit of sweet chili sauce. I have no idea what it's going to be like, but we'll soon find out. Right. I don't know what you call these. I think what they're called. Is it torpedo potato? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you know, if I've done it wrong or you know a better way, leave that in the comments as well. I wouldn't mind that. Or if you know a link to a video that I should be looking at, give us that as well. All right, let's go and chuck it on the fire. Okay, let's see what this turned out like. I'm not holding my breath, mind you. I did turn it a few times, but about 3/4 an hour, because it's a sweet potato, don't take long, do they? I'm going to leave it on the foil. Let's double that up. Ooh, I hope it's cooked. You just don't know, do you? Ooh, oh my, ooh, ooh. Oh, stay on, stay on. Right, you know what that means, don't you? We've got to give it a bit of a taste, so I'm just gonna, not too sure what to do here. I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna, oh, it's cooked, look at that. Oh yeah, monkey. Ooh. And the skin, I don't mind that. Let's give it a go. Yeah, skin. Skin's a little bit crunchy, but that is beautiful. Well, cooked beautifully. Maybe a bit too big, I think. That's what it was, maybe a bit too big. Let's try and get this out. Knock that one out. Oh, that's soft, that end. That's really soft. Let's try that. Oh. That is yummy, 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 honestly. And it worked partially, look, it did. Yeah. Okay. That's great. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like, that would be great. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Sweet potato, leave in the comments what you think it's supposed to be called. Is it not a submarine, was it torpedo? Anyway, yummy. Will I be doing it again? Oh yeah, definitely. I love sweet potato, high in protein and good for you. Take care, catch you in the next one. Bye.